see the story of sound Q. The name of this letter is Q and the sound of this letter, here's the story. So, Mickey and Donald are the best friends. Mickey and Donald are the best friends. One day, the queen called both of them to her palace, and there she asked a question that what is the sound of a duck? Who will tell me? Mickey said, "Oh, I don't know the sound of a duck." Then the Donald duck said, "The sound of a duck is quack, quack, quack." Yes, the sound of letter Q is quack, quack. Queen, quack. Quilt, quack. Question. Okay, children? The sound of letter Q is quack. Now you have to practice this sound again and again.